Opo ma'am, yung gold yan yung pendant lang.
Ah, pendant lang. Opo.
95. 95.
Oh, okay. Lion, Simmer Lion. Wala yun, Simmer Lion. Money Max. Oh, okay. Yeah, bye ready. Dito tayo ngayon sa...
we got something, forget one.
Uga. Never buy the uga. How do I know? Auntie never tell me.
Uga.
Oh, dali lang. Bako.
Nobody call uga.
Walang this guy, ah. People crossing already still cannot wait. What's this? BM o Maybach? Hindi ko alam. These people. Very nagapos. Rolex. We are here at Lucky Plaza. Wow. You want to go Rolex, is it?
Kasi magbakal kami ng Rolex.
Oy, anong ginawa mo dito?
Nag-buy ako ng Rolex.
Mga ano?
Sampo, pamigay ko. Share nyo lang yung video.
Share nyo daw yung video. Kay mamigay daw siya ng Rolex. Oh, ang ganda ng hiyan. Yun. Ayan, merong Christmas tree na dito. Prada. Christmas tree up. My phone is waving.
Kala ko ba ngayon?
Yala, sila haven't take my phone eh. My Gucci. Yeah, go buy Gucci na ba? December. Yeah. Sabi ko kay auntie, bili kami ng Gucci. Wala nga daw siya pambili ng bugas eh. Ay, sorry auntie. Oh, see that?
Sometimes I buy $60 one. Still nice. I still love it.
Hey, Orchard. Parang gusto ko na rin umuwi ng Pinas, ah. Ang dami ng Christmas na miss ko sa Pilipinas. Napadaan ako ngayon sa Orchard. Parang bigla akong nalungkot sa Orchard ako. Oh, diba? Ang ganda ng Orchard ngayon. Daming lighting. Merry Christmas! Merry Christmas! Seryoso yan? Oh! Dami ng lights. Oh, diba? Merry Christmas! Daming tao. Ayan. Orchard na tayo. Dito yan sa Orchard Central. Cookie jam again, ah. Buttercup. Uy. Run! Ay, sayang man. Butterscotch. Kain tayo dito. Ha?
Yung baba ng ano?
Nang
Babae.
saan doon?
Walang baba siya.
Saan doon?
Ayan yung ano. Ito yung magdadala sa atin.
Walang ano? Walang baba. Easy. Kain tayo din na dito. Okay, go inside. Dalawa na tayo. Ano? Tilapia, $39. Guys, magkano lang ito sa Pilipinas? Isang kilo, like 50 pesos. Makabili ka na. Is it? Dito yawa, 1,000 may it.
Like that natin.
So the design of the prawn is very maanghang.
Chicken and chips. Halibut fish and chips. For these, you can place some vinegar to enhance the flavor.
Alright.
Chicken vinegar.
Nice. Chili sauce.
What is this?
You
Chicken?
put on your plate lah.
This is chicken.
Yeah.
This is fish and chips.
Yeah.
Okay. Okay, tapos na. Ayan na. Ayan na. Ayan na. See the Mickey Mouse? Ay, Uniqlo pala.
Not many TV.
Oh, Uniqlo. Good lie. Go down to Uniqlo, die. Hi guys. Nah. Hi. Bye. There you go again. Dito tayo sa Uniqlo. Oh, doon. Another one. And winter is waving. Ang dami na nilang ano. Ganda ng ano, winter clothing. See, winter jacket. Where are we going?
Morning up.
Done eating, then time to go home, no? Uwian na. Uwi na tayo. Kasi tapos na tayong kumain ng drink. What's that? Oh yeah, maybe Yoishi. No, not the same lah, ne? These are the one queuing. Ne, the queue is here. Not the same na work at branch. Yeah lang. No, not the same branch. It's the same shop. Oh yeah, first we need to buy Oga. Oh yeah, this is the Christmas light this year. You see the ball? Haven't yet. Hi guys. So nice. Bakit kailangan makisa? Ha? Bakit ano? Madami na ako ng ano. YouTube lang. So hi guys, we are done eating. So now we are going there. Magtabo kami ba? Magtabo kami sa Lala. Yeah.
You know what? Auntie smile like that. You see? You see?
See this? Ganda ng light. Eh, hindi ko alam kung anong ginagawa ng dalawa sa likod. Hi guys. Fully na. Victoria's Secret. Ayan. Nag-iingay yung mga ibon. Gabi na eh. Maingay pa eh. Ah, you want to take photo ko di? Hey guys. We're here sa outside. Three goes to boys. What the gaganda. I don't want to say it. Iyak ka na lang pag Pasko na. Pasko na. Nakakamiss na ang Pinas pag Pasko. Tudor. Careful ka dito. No. Stop shaking me. Dali na ba? Dali na ba? Zoom in. Nagpalit na galing ko. And then sila kung saan manangaawin. Just can stand. Ay, uwi na pala tayo guys. Familiar. That's all for today's video. Dala-dala.